guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can remake or surrender in Valorant. So what remake is, for instance, you're in a party of 3 or 4. You can't be in a party of 5 though, because it won't work. You're just going to simply select the enter button /remake. You can only do it on the second round. If like one person or like even more than one person is AFKing, then to vote just simply select F5 for yes and F6 for no, I think. And then to surrender, you will lose some point. Well, you will lose the game if you surrender. If you remake, you won't. It will just like delete the match history. Like it won't count as a game and stuff because one person is AFK. But if you surrender, you can just either type in /FF or /surrender, and you can surrender, I think. Yeah, but you can only vote after like you've either gone through like 5 rounds. So to your remake, you can do it on the second round. For if you want to surrender, you can do it only after like 5 rounds. That is it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!